Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xbox controller to a PlayStation 3 console. You will learn about the necessary equipment and the step-by-step process for successful setup. This method allows you to use your preferred Xbox controller for many PlayStation 3 games. While not a direct plug-and-play, the solution is straightforward with the right tools. It opens up more possibilities for your gaming preferences and comfort. To begin, you will need a special adapter designed to bridge the connection between an Xbox controller and your PlayStation 3 console. Many popular adapters are available online, costing around $20 to $45. You will also need a standard USB cable for your specific Xbox controller model, such as a micro USB for Xbox One. Have your PlayStation 3 console powered on and easily accessible for these connections. First, plug your chosen third-party adapter firmly into one of the USB ports on the front of your PlayStation 3 console. These consoles usually have 2 or 4 USB ports available for accessories. Once connected, look for any indicator lights on the adapter itself. A solid light often means it is powered on and ready. This step establishes the crucial communication link for your Xbox controller. Now take your Xbox controller and connect it to the adapter using its USB cable. For many Xbox controllers, this will be a micro USB connection on the top. The adapter's lights should change, perhaps becoming solid, to indicate a successful connection. Then, navigate the PlayStation 3 menu or launch a game to test all the buttons and analog sticks. Everything should now be fully responsive. While largely functional, some minor limitations exist, such as certain rumble features not always working perfectly. Button assignments might also differ slightly. For instance, the button on your Xbox controller might perform the X button action on the PlayStation 3. Despite these small quirks, this setup provides a comfortable and familiar gaming experience, giving you more choices for how you enjoy your favorite PlayStation 3 titles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.